In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and create a Mailerlite account. We'll walk through the process together from the very beginning so that, by the end, you'll have a brand new account ready to go. I'll also share a few tips along the way to help you avoid common mistakes and set yourself up for success. Start by heading over to the Mailerlite homepage in your web browser. Once the page loads, look for the button that says Sign Up Free. This is usually easy to spot near the top of the page. Go ahead and click that button to begin creating your account. You'll now see a sign-up form where Mailerlite asks for a few basic details. First, type in your company name. If you don't have a formal company yet, you can use your personal brand name or the name of the project you're building. Next, enter your full name, exactly as you'd like it to appear in your account. After that, add the email address you want associated with Mailerlite. It's best to use a professional email that you check regularly, since this is where they'll send important notifications and verification messages. Then, create a strong password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything that's easy to guess. When you're happy with the details you've entered, click the button that says Create My Account. Once you submit the form, you'll be redirected to provide more information about your business. Here, Mailerlite will ask you to select your business industry from a list. Choose the option that most closely matches what you do. Then, enter your business address. If you're working from home or don't have a separate office, you can use your current mailing address. This information is often required for email marketing tools to comply with global email regulations. Next, you'll be asked a few final questions about how you collect subscribers. Answer honestly based on your current or planned setup. For example, you might be collecting subscribers through a website form, a landing page, or from previous customers who gave permission to be emailed. When you've finished answering these questions, click the button that says something along the lines of Done, Continue, or whatever similar confirmation appears on the screen. After this step, your basic Mailerlite account setup is complete, and you're ready to move on to exploring the dashboard, creating campaigns, and building your email list.